In this video, we will show you how to connect your Hostinger domain to Google Workspace. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so if you have purchased a Google Workspace service and have an active domain, follow these steps to set up your order. For one is, of course, you need to activate the order, log into your Hostinger account, and you will find your Google Workspace order in the homepage of cpanel. Of course, you need to click on the setup button next to the order and complete the process. Right here, you can see after the order setup, click manage. You will be able to create a primary admin account. Then you need to log into your Google Workspace admin area here. Now you need to verify your domain, right? After logging into your Google Workspace admin area, a pop-up will appear to verify your domain. Press on it, like here, and you will get your domain verification code. Take note of this code. Now, you go to your domain's DNS zone and add a text record with the verification code to verify your domain ownership. Alternatively, you can verify your domain with a CNAME record. And please note, if your domain is pointing elsewhere by NS records, your DNS zone management is moved to the provider you pointed the domain to. It should be managed from there. Again, after making any changes to your DNS records, consider up to 24 hours for them to propagate. And once the propagation is completed, you will be able to use your Google Workspace service, all right? That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.